Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. Now I've been creating tech content for over 13 years now. It's been really fun seeing all of the recent developments in technology. Today we'll be checking out the new iFLYTEK Smart Translator and iFLYTEK Smart Recorder. Big thanks to iFLYTEK for sponsoring this video and sending both of these for us to check out. Both of these devices are really compact and light, making it easy to bring with you on the go. The Smart Translator has buttons on the side and a large touchscreen, making it easy to see your translations. The Smart Recorder even has a touchscreen along with some buttons, but the touchscreen allows you to swipe through, find your recordings, and look through your transcriptions, and even change settings. Both come in very premium packaging. Inside the iFLYTEK Smart Recorder, you get your charging cable, your booklets on top of the recorder. And inside your Smart Translator, you get your booklets and even a SIM ejection tool because it does have a slot for mobile data. And of course, a charging cable and your iFLYTEK Smart Translator. iFLYTEK provides a 2 years free global traffic card and mobile data, which lets you use all 60 languages and even has offline translation features in case you're somewhere without data. You might be asking, why would you need a Smart Translator or Smart Recorder when you have your phones on you at all times? Well, I'm not just gonna tell you, however, we're gonna take a look at both of these devices and hopefully answer that question for you. Now to help me with the translation, my friend Christian is here. Let me scroll through and find the Spanish language. Scrolling through, it's actually kind of crazy how many languages there actually are, but there is Spanish. Okay, so Christian, how about you introduce yourself to everyone?
Me llamo Cristian, gracias por invitarme aquí hoy.
Okay, well I don't speak Spanish, so I only caught your name. How about let's try the iFLYTEK Smart Translator now.
Me llamo Cristian, gracias por invitarme aquí hoy.
My name is Christian. Thank you for inviting me here today.
Okay, there we go. So now if I want to respond, yeah, it's really good to see you. I haven't seen you in a while, so thanks for being here.
Sí, es muy bueno verte. Hace tiempo que no te veo, así que gracias por estar aquí.
Perfect.
Was that good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Nice. Okay, so let's do another test. That worked pretty well. So how have you been lately, Christian?
Extremamente Christian.
He estado muy bien. Me acaban de dar un aumento en mi trabajo y estoy muy feliz.
I have been very good. I just got a raise on my work.
Oh, nice.
And I am very happy.
Hey, congratulations. That's amazing.
Oye, felicitaciones, eso es increíble.
Muchas gracias.
Now, my friend Christian's first language is Mexican Spanish, and actually the iFLYTEK Smart Recorder supports multiple accents in the Spanish language. Now, we're gonna do a more formal test and actually put this Smart Translator to the test. Have you heard about the tech company iFLYTEK that was founded in 1999?
¿Has oído hablar de la empresa tecnológica iFLYTEK que se fundó en 1999?
No, no he oído de esa compañía. ¿Me puedes decir más?
No, I haven't heard of that company. Can you tell me more?
Of course. A while ago, some college students realized that speech recognition tech would break down the barriers between humans and technology. iFLYTEK started as a small campus entrepreneurship project and has grown into a world-renowned company in the field of AI. And I love this story because I personally started my business in college.
Hace un tiempo, algunos estudiantes universitarios se dieron cuenta de que la tecnología de reconocimiento de la tecnología. iFLYTEK comenzó como un pequeño proyecto de emprendimiento en el campus y ahora en el campo de la inteligencia artificial. Y me encanta esta historia porque personalmente comencé mi negocio en la universidad.
Oh, wow, that was right on.
Okay.
No sabía eso. ¿Me puedes decir más de la compañía?
I didn't know that. Can you tell me more about the company?
Sure. In Spain and Shanghai, iFLYTEK was at MWC, which I go to every year, and also the GITEX Global Conference in Dubai, showcasing their achievements in AI.
En España, en Shanghái este año, iFLYTEK estuvo en NWC al que voy todos los años y también en la conferencia Global iTex en Dubai mostrando sus logros. Venía.
Ese traductor parece muy bien reconocido en muchos países. Es impresionante qué bien puede traducir lo que tú dices.
That translator seems very well recognized in many countries. It is impressive how well he can translate what you say.
Okay, yeah, that's makes a lot of sense to me. Nice. It supports 60 languages in total, including the 8 major global languages, including Spanish.
Soporta 60 idiomas en total, principales idiomas mundiales, incluido el español.
Qué chido que soporta tantos idiomas.
How cool that it supports so many languages.
That's awesome. And now is cool, like, did you use a slang word for that?
Yeah, it's a little bit of a Mexican slang way to say cool.
I love that it picks that up. Yeah, iFLYTEK has actually won multiple international competitions. So now let's do just a little bit more testing as if I was abroad in another country. Hey, I'm lost. Can you help me find the nearest train station?
Oye, estoy perdido. ¿Puedes ayudarme a encontrar la...
Sí, claro. 2 cuadras derecho y luego dobla a la izquierda.
Yes, of course. 2 blocks straight and then turn left.
Gracias.
De nada.
Okay, let's take a quick break, and after testing this out, let's actually get some feedback. So Christian, what do you think about the speed and accuracy of the translations?
Yeah, definitely. The speed is actually pretty impressive and how fast it can translate it back to you and read it as well.
Yeah, I love that.
That's key. And as far as the accuracy goes, it picks up on just about everything. And I think I really like that I can just have a normal conversation with you as opposed to trying to talk into the device.
Yeah, it feels really natural, and you're using words that you would kind of normally use in just a conversation in your language.
Exactly. It picked
Yeah.
up on a slang word earlier, and that was cool to see.
Great, love it. So now we're going to run a quick test. I'm going to turn off all data, and we're going to do offline translations and test out their face-to-face translation mode. So it's kind of crazy how nice it is outside, especially in November. Did you do anything fun out there?
Así que es un poco loco lo agradable que es afuera, especialmente en noviembre. ¿Hiciste algo divertido ahí fuera?
Sí, llevé a mi perro al parque un rato.
Well, yes, I took my dog to the park for a while.
Nice. Perfect use of the good weather. You know what? It can do more than real-time translation. Check this out. All you have to do is swipe over and snap a quick picture of your article or text that's in another language, and it's going to automatically translate it for you. Okay, now that we have our picture translation ready to go, Christian, take a look. Take a look at the original as well, and just let me know how accurate it is.
After comparing both of these, overall, it does a really nice job of being pretty accurate with everything. I see maybe 1 or 2 words on here where it could have, used a better word, or maybe it didn't quite understand it. But
overall,
I understand what it's saying, and it does a really good job of showing that.
Perfect. That's kind of what you're looking for. So
Exactly.
Good to hear. Now, you may wonder why you need a smart translator when you have your smartphone with translation apps and Google Translate. Well, the iFLYTEK Smart Translator supports offline translation. And a big difference when using the iFLYTEK Smart Translator for face-to-face translation, you don't need to pull out your phone. You don't have to show your phone screen interface, which will protect your privacy. On top of that, it will help save your phone's battery life and reduce the risk of your phone just being taken. If you have your phone out, you're pointing it, you're showing someone, there's always the risk someone will take your phone. And of course, with the technology developed by iFLYTEK, the translation's just more natural and accurate. As I mentioned earlier, iFLYTEK even offers an intelligent smart recorder. Imagine you're at a conference and you need to record and organize key points, or in a situation without internet access where privacy is a must. Mobile phones and other devices just can't do what you require. The iFLYTEK Smart Recorder is here to save the day. With its smart noise reduction technology and 2 directional microphones and 4 omnidirectional microphones, it allows you to clearly capture the audio of the meeting, making sure you don't miss any key information. It's an awesome recording and offline transcription device. I love that you don't need data to transcribe what is said. The iFLYTEK Smart Recorder also offers long distance recording. So with my friend Christian, about 10 meters away, let's test it out.
Hey, don't forget, we have our project due next Thursday. I was thinking we could get dinner afterwards, maybe around 7 p.m. I can pick you up.
Okay, so this is great when you are at a conference and the speaker's not right next to you. Let's take a look and see how it did. Going into My Files and selecting the specific transcription, I can actually play the audio and listen to what was said. However, if I want to, I can swipe over, and there's the full transcription, word for word, exactly what Christian said. The iFLYTEK Smart Recorder offers real-time English transcription, so I can use it anytime, anywhere, and it's really portable. The 2-inch touchscreen's convenient and user-friendly. It's also great to have 32 gigabytes of storage to record long conferences, which a lot of other recording devices just don't have. Compared to stores in the US like Best Buy, a lot of their recorders are really simple and traditional. It can record and it can play back the voice. It doesn't transcribe. It doesn't have a screen showing you what's said. I also love that I can still record the meeting while I'm on the phone. That happens all the time. I get a call during a meeting and still need to record what's being said. I can walk away, take my call, come back, and I know exactly what was said and still have a full recording. Don't have to pause it on my phone if I were recording with my phone. With that being said, the iFLYTEK Smart Recorder is perfect for future meetings, future conferences, and a lot more. Both of these devices are going to be very useful for me going forward. I travel all around the world for work and constantly need translations, not just of conversations, but of menus and bodies of text. I also admittedly don't take the perfect notes, so having a full transcription of a meeting or presentation will not only help me with my workflow, but also my research as well. If you're interested in improving your communication with global businesses, helping out while traveling to Europe and Asia, or even just trying to meet other people that speak other languages, I definitely recommend trying out the iFLYTEK Smart Translator. And if you're like me and have a really hard time remembering everything that's said in a meeting or a presentation, I definitely recommend the iFLYTEK Smart Recorder. It's great to have all of that information just simply in your pocket. Now, I could also see these being super useful in educational scenarios, whether K through 12, IEP, both the Smart Translator and Smart Recorder could be a big help. With Black Friday coming up, you can pick up both of these devices on sale. I will be sure to link to them in the video description. They'll definitely make your life easier. Be sure to drop a comment. Let me know what you think about both of these devices. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.